Question 5. A quadratic equation, this one, has two roots p and q. Find the quadratic equations with these new roots. Okay, so let's look at the old equation. The old equation is 2x squared. We can bring all this side. Minus 6x minus 3 is 0. So from our old equation, we can find our old sum of roots and our old product of roots. Okay. Okay. So sum of roots will be p plus q. And sum of roots, the formula is negative b over a. So negative 6 over 2, which is just positive 6 over 2, which is 3. So we can say p plus q is 3. And then our product of roots will be p multiplied q, because these are our roots. And product of roots is c over a. So c is negative 3, a is 2. So we can say pq is negative 3 over 2. Okay. We'll be using this in our new equation. Right. So this is just the old part. Now let's look at the new equation. So let's find our new sum of roots and product of roots. So these are our roots. So the sum of roots will be p squared q plus pq squared. So we can try to factor this out. We can factorize pq. We'll be left with p plus q. Okay, both these terms got pq in them. So we take out the pq, then we'll be left with p and q. So pq, p plus q. Okay. So we know pq is this, and we know p plus q is this. We sub lah. pq is negative 3 over 2, p plus q is 3. Okay. We do the same thing for product of roots. So these are our roots. So product of roots will be p squared q times pq squared. This is p cube q cube. Or in other words, pq cubed. So you know pq is this. So negative 3 over 2 cube. Negative 27 over 8. Okay. Now we need to make our new equation. So we have the sum of roots, the new sum of roots, and the new product of roots. So our general equation is x squared minus sum of roots x plus POR is 0. This is our general equation. So we have to put it inside this equation now. Okay. So let's sub it in. We'll get x squared minus negative 9 over 2x plus negative 27 over 8 equals to 0. Okay, that not enough space here. I'll just try to make these smaller. This, make it smaller, bring it up here. Okay, so equals to 0. Then we try to expand this and we try to make the denominator, we don't want fractions, so we get rid of the denominator. So first this is 9 over 2x minus 27 over 8 equals 0. So the whole equation we have to times the biggest denominator, which is 8. Okay, so we get 8x squared plus 9 over 2 times 8 You can just use your calculator. 36x minus 27 is 0. This will be our new equation. Done. That's it.